Welcome to another lazy video. You're now hearing the sound of these two Rode NT1A microphones. They have a very low noise floor, and with that we're going to have a lot of fun. Just a moment, I'll put on the headphones. Now they are on. What I'm going to do with these microphones is record the sound of VFD displays, because the outro of the whatever. This is the first one. Let's see. Does it make any sound? Oh, that's a bitter disappointment. Let me get a tripod. I'm not that lazy. Sorry. Hop, 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 hop. Hop, hop. If I turn it this way, you can see me in action. Hop, hop. Well, not really. You can see my legs. Hop. Hop. Well, that's better. Sorry. Now I will be in the shot as well with this old fleece crap. Oh no, I'm not really in the shot. Oh, now I'm in the shot. Next roll. It's crazy. What do we hear? Well, it's this one over here. It turns on in demo mode and it has a fan, a rotating fan. And now it's off. And I'm talking right through all these lovely sound effects. But it's okay because this is the lazy channel, so. That was the CD player. This VFD also doesn't make sound, but I just realized there's of course the plastic in front of it. Two disappointments down. Let's go to the third one. I should already hear it. Again, nothing. Not really, but I just realized I think there's still a CD in here actually. Yes, there is. So I did get a few requests for this CD, but it's so come. I didn't even bother to reply. My excuses. Sorry about that. It will be in some future video at some point. But it's quite a lot of work to send individual CDs all the time. Everything is extremely loud. I wish my ears were still like what I'm hearing now. But that was 20 years ago. Actually, not even then. I hear now more than even a 20-year-old can hear. And, well, next one. Nice shot, right? There's again no sound. Well, what a bitter disappointment. But we're not done yet. Just a moment. Another quotation from a movie. You know which movie? Just a moment. Speaking. Just a moment. Oops. What I'm going to film now is actually pointless because it's the end of the VFD Displays video, if that's still the name. But I didn't show you this one yet because it completely broke during transport. It's an Akai receiver. All the buttons, so this was on here, but This is the back of broken pieces of plastic. But even that rude violence did not stop the display from working. Sorry. So this is about how I did that recording, but then at a later hour, so it was actually quiet. Even though it's already quite quiet here. Again, lazy shot, because this is the lazy channel. And let's turn it on. Now that's what I'm talking about. So crazy, huh? Oh man, I didn't hear that before. That was pretty brutal, actually. Let's change the shot for a moment. I've got the camera on autofocus. Doesn't matter. That sounded very cool. What, does it also happen when I turn it on? No. Let's turn it off again. That is brutal. So no, they're actually doing renovations of our home across the street. So you can hear that. That's as close as we can get. It should be a vacuum, so it's quite remarkable that it sounds like that. Let's turn it off again. After hitting it. Sounds different. Maybe that's because I hit it with the stick anyway. Here we go. Wait, I put it in a power switch that I can control remotely. And when I do that, you don't hear the power switch of the unit, so that's cool. Let's first turn it on already. Here we go. It's still making sound. Oh, that's because I hit the power switch. I just realized why the sound changes. That's because the wires cool down. So the length of the wire changes, which changes the pitch. That was very logical. Why didn't I think of that before? One more time. It takes forever. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope to see you soon. Why did I have to throw my face in there? Stupid. Sound effects aren't sound effects now. Okay, bye.